Here is another question on balancing chemical equations. We have CO2 plus some amount of ammonia, giving us that compound that should be urea. This is what I called it, urea. And we have H2O, which is water. Now, to balance this equation, we can see that the carbon is equal on both sides for carbon. That's fine. I think the major thing you can spot here quickly is the nitrogen, or probably the NH2 group, and this is NH3. But definitely you know that the nitrogen here is about 2, and here is just 1. So it might be a good idea to place a 2 in front of that place to start with. And if we do that, the nitrogen is now balanced. Our carbon has always been balanced. So let's check oxygen. The oxygen here is 1, and here makes 2. And the oxygen here is okay, also 2. That's good. That's good. So let's check hydrogen then. Hydrogen is 2 times 3, so that's 6. And the hydrogen here is this 2 times this 2 outside gives you 4. And then this very 2 here makes it 6. So everything is balanced. And that's how you balance this one. This one was quite easy. Just one number we had to put, and that was it. All right, guys, enjoy.